Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and set up multi-user accounts on Android. If you share your Android phone or tablet with others, creating separate users profiles for them is a great idea. Each user gets their own login password, apps, files, and settings. And here's how you can set up multi-user accounts on Android. First, you need to enable multi-users. Open the settings on your Android device and look for user and accounts. For the settings menu, find and tap on multiple users and toggle multiple users. Switch to enable it. After enabling it, you will see options like a guest, a temporary guest, or add secondary user, which is more permanent user account. To create a guest account, you need to switch to guest mode. Optionally, turn on toggle for allowing phone calls and tap enter to confirm. After you quickly switch to guest mode, tap guest. The guest can use the phone with limited access, like a brand new device with no apps or files from the main account, and guests can install apps from the Play Store using their own Google account. To exit guest mode, click on your main account and tap switch to go back to your main account. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video.